Cats have some of the most fascinating and specialized vision in the animal kingdom. Their eyes, large and expressive, are designed for hunting, movement detection, and seeing in low-light conditions. While humans rely on a combination of color perception and detail to interpret the world, cats experience their surroundings in a completely different way. Their vision has evolved to give them advantages that make them exceptional hunters and agile explorers, even in the darkest environments. Understanding how cats see the world offers a glimpse into their mysterious and often surprising abilities. One of the most remarkable aspects of cat vision is their ability to see in near total darkness. Unlike humans, who struggle to make out shapes in dim lighting, cats have a specialized structure in their eyes called the tapetum lucidum. This reflective layer sits behind the retina and acts as a mirror, bouncing light back through the eye and giving photoreceptor cells a second chance to capture it. This adaptation allows cats to use about 6 times less light than humans need to see. It is also the reason their eyes appear to glow in the dark when light is shined on them. This enhanced night vision makes cats incredibly effective nocturnal hunters, able to detect the slightest movements of their prey even in minimal light. Another fascinating trait of cat vision is their ability to detect movement with extreme precision. While their eyes may not focus on fine details as well as human eyes, they are highly sensitive to motion. This is due to the high number of rod cells in their retinas, which are specialized for detecting changes in brightness and movement. Even the slightest twitch of a mouse's tail or the flicker of a bug's wing can grab a cat's attention instantly. This is why cats often react to objects that humans barely notice and why they are so drawn to moving toys. Their motion detection skills also help them avoid danger, allowing them to react swiftly to approaching threats. Cats also have a much wider field of vision than humans. While people have a visual field of about 180 degrees, cats can see approximately 200 degrees, giving them a broader range of sight without needing to turn their heads. This panoramic vision is another evolutionary advantage that helps them detect predators and prey from various angles. However, their ability to see things clearly up close is limited. Cats are naturally far-sighted, meaning they struggle to focus on objects that are very near to them. This is why they often rely on their whiskers to detect things close to their faces, especially when eating or exploring. A surprising fact about cat vision is their perception of color. While they are not completely colorblind, they do not see the world in the same vibrant spectrum as humans. Cats primarily see shades of blue and green, but they have difficulty distinguishing between red and orange. This is because their retinas contain fewer cone cells, which are responsible for color vision. However, what they lack in color perception, they make up for with their superior ability to see in low light and their heightened sensitivity to movement. This means that while a brightly colored toy might not be as appealing to a cat as it is to a human, a toy that moves unpredictably will always capture their attention. Perhaps one of the most intriguing aspects of cat vision is their ability to focus intensely on a target while filtering out distractions. This skill is often referred to as tunnel vision, allowing cats to concentrate fully on a single object, whether it is prey, a toy, or even their owner's hand. This intense focus is part of their predatory instinct, helping them track and pounce with incredible accuracy. However, this also means that cats may sometimes ignore things happening around them if they are fixated on a specific point of interest. Their ability to lock onto a target with such precision is a key reason why they are such skilled hunters, capable of delivering lightning-fast reactions to any sudden movement. Cats experience the world in a way that is both different from and superior to humans in certain aspects. Their night vision, motion detection, wide field of view, color perception, and intense focus all contribute to their status as exceptional predators and mysterious companions. While their vision may not be as sharp in some areas as human sight, their unique adaptations make them perfectly suited for their natural behaviors. Whether they are watching the world with unblinking intensity or tracking an invisible movement in the shadows, cats continue to surprise us with their extraordinary way of seeing the world.